Another thing that you can track with ManageRegister is consignment inventory. And so to differentiate consigned inventory from other inventory, you can do that at the category level. And so you can create your own, consignment categories. So like here, is consignment category. You just want to make sure that's checked. You can make it the name, whatever you want. And then you can define the store commission rate. And this is used to make sure that, you have accurate numbers for whatever the profit and loss is going to be. Additionally, just like with work orders, you can have a consignment intake form. And here you can, define whatever verbiage you want in there. You can also set whatever fields you want. So if we're going to gather, make, model, serial, here we're going to have a custom signature. These are all the different types that you can have. And then here we're going to put some images, and you can determine, whether those are going to be required or not required. And so then we're going to go to product, new product, consigned item. Make sure that we choose the consignment category. Consignment intake, that's the form that we chose. Typically there's only going to be one item that they're consigning. At least that you would have one item per consignment agreement typically. Here we see that, let's just say the customer, this is what they wanted to sell it for. Our cost is auto-calculated. We can choose, the minimum acceptable price here. So just say 1,000. And here, this can be presented to the user. So we have our, consignor information, make, model. Here you would have the customer, the consignor, go ahead and sign, right? And then you could either, hand the pad over to them or the touch screen, however you do it. And then optionally, we can also add images. Here I just have some test images. Go ahead and create. Here we can see, our consigned images. Those are stored, selling price. We have our signature. We can go ahead and print our consignment details. We see the selling price, make, model, serial, product images. We have our agreement, and we have our signature and the date that it was signed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.